Welcome back to Cooking with Fricka-da-bop-a-da-bop-a-da. Welcome back to Cooking with Corval. Today we're making grilled cheese because I'm hungry and I want music. I need music. I want music. Sunny bun. Sunny bun. Are you a sunny bun? So I was talking to my dog. Bread. We're gonna make 2. We're gonna make, hold up. Okay, I'm back. I just wanted some music. Probably can't hear it, but who cares? Okay, 2 bread. 2 bread. I want to fix it so you can see me in the bread. Okay, there you go. You got it. Go away, Sunny. Sunny. Sunny back.
Swiss cheese.
Ew. She's upstairs. Anyway, that. What happened? Butter. Get out of here. It's working my video. Get out. I'm making a video. I'm gonna have to.
Are the burgers downstairs? What? Are the burgers downstairs? Move! I'm gonna beat you. Oh my god, okay.
How do you butter bread? You're ruining my video! Get out of here!
This is how you butter bread.
You're not the protagonist.
I am.
No,
I'm the
not.
main character. You know why?
Why?
Because pee pee poo poo. Pee pee poo. Poo.
Ew, you spit on my face! It's disgusting!
Only real ones would understand me.
I'm buttering up my bread.
No one understands. No one understands. It's like I have a little sister. Doesn't know how to butter bread.
I do know how to butter bread!
Has to make a video to butter bread.
No, I just butter.
Yeah, just buttered your own bread.
I was going to butter my own bread!
You don't need it.
Get out of here!
You don't need it.
Get out of here! You ruined my video. You all are ruining everything. This is. I can't! Can't no more. I can't with Sunny Bun. Go away, Sunny Bun, please. Okay, go. I'll make some soup also because so you could. But the butter's in the way. There you go. Now use the pan. Oh, you still can't see my face. I'm bored. I'm gonna become super lit. I'm not even gonna say that again. Okay, let me turn my pan. Yes, you can see me in the street. Okay, random one. With cheese. I only got cheese because I can't cut cheese. But who cares, you know? Start by putting my cheese! Makes it perfect. I'm gonna do such a big grilled cheese bowl. My spatula! Here. Now plug it on low because I still need the oven. close up cheese. There you go. Now, I'll put the stuff back. Spray. Let's show you guys. Okay. Oh, grilled cheese. Our tacos taste different, but hey, grilled cheese is good. It's delicious. And that was burning hot. My grilled cheese isn't grilled cheesing. There we go. Make cheese. Clearly Coral Part 2. I should have put that at the. No, I'll just put this on the outro. Who cares? Bye bye.